Hi there, my name is Rachel Rizzuto and I am the Research Manager at Northern Policy Institute. NPI is an independent public policy think tank located in Northern Ontario. We have offices in Thunder Bay, Sudbury, and Kirkland Lake. So what is Experience North? Experience North is a 4-month placement program where up to 10 students have the opportunity to learn about public policy and communications, operations, finance. We have been running this program since 2014 and we have had our summer students located all across Northern Ontario, from Sudbury to Timmins to Sioux Lookout, Sault Ste. Marie, Fort Frances, and so on.
Hi, my name is William Dunstan and I'm a policy analyst here in Hearst. Prior to coming to Hearst this summer, I've lived in Ottawa my whole life. I'm a public affairs and policy management student at Carleton University. As a policy analyst, my job is really all about trying to understand what's going on in the various regions that make up Northern Ontario. So that's trying to determine how existing policies have affected the current situation.
Hi, I'm Claire. I've spent this past summer working as a policy analyst in Hearst. I've worked on a couple projects this summer. I have authored 2 commentaries, one on infrastructure connection comparisons and another on comparative transportation subsidization, essentially looking at differences between Northern Ontario regions and Southern Ontario regions.
Hearst is a great community to be in because there's so many outdoor activities to do. You'd think you might get bored being in a small town, but you really don't.
The summer has also been really fun. Northern Ontario has so many things to do and there's always somewhere new to hike, swim, and explore.
Hi everyone, my name is Andrew Jalek. I'm a communications officer for Northern Policy Institute. I'm currently a 4th year student at Wilfrid Laurier University. My day-to-day tasks are typically handling social media language, uploading to the website, writing PRs, pretty much anything to do with internal and external communications. Thanks to the Experience North program, I've been able to be more immersed in my community. It's more or less being immersed in the realm of public policy and kind of what's going on in Northern Ontario.
Hi, my name is Emma and I am a graphic design intern based in Sault Ste. Marie. I'm currently entering my 2nd year at the University of Waterloo in the Global Business and Digital Arts program. As a graphic designer, I'm responsible for designing and laying out all of NPI's publications. I also get to create graphics, illustrations, and logos for NPI's social media platforms and website. Through the Experience North program, I've really grown my skill set in branding and design. I've also learned so much about Northern Ontario and the issues that directly impact the community I grew up in.
Hi, I'm Avery and I'm a social policy analyst here at NPI. Unlike other internship programs at NPI, all the interns are treated like policy analysts, so you're given important tasks and important projects, but you're also given a lot of guidance and support from the whole NPI team all the way through. Being from a small town, I really enjoyed living in Kirkland Lake and getting that kind of small town vibe again. It's a really great community up here and everyone's super friendly.
Hello, bonjour, Anine. My name's Lindsay Bain. I'm an Experience North intern working out of Sioux Lookout, Ontario. I'm proudly First Nations from Wampanoag Lake Ojibwe Nation, and I'm completing the final year of my Bachelor of Arts in Global Political Economy at the University of Manitoba. My projects this summer involved exploring the impact of the Treaty Commission of Ontario, or the ICO, with land claims, settlements, and treaty disputes. Northern Ontario holds such a valuable place in my heart because it'll always feel like home, but the opportunity to work with NPI on such prominently important projects that impact both my home communities as well as the rest of Ontario's regions was beyond a dream come true.
Hello, I'm Holly. I'm a policy analyst with the Northern Policy Institute located in Sioux Lookout, and I am Experience North summer intern. My main project this summer was to expand on NPI's existing research on the cost of living in Northern Ontario to include small, rural, and remote communities.
Even though COVID made for some unique challenges with this summer's placements, I can't begin to express how grateful I am and how much I've grown as a result of this experience.
Through technology and webcams and computers, we're able to communicate between one another and to other decision makers and community members outside the organization.
Oh, hey there. My name's Jillian Scambluri and I'm the Finance and Operations Assistant. I'm originally from Thunder Bay, Ontario, and I attend Lakehead University, which is quite literally 2 lefts and a right down from this office. I will be going into my 2nd year of the Honors Bachelor of Commerce program. I knew this job would challenge me, and that's exactly what I got on my first day when Chrissy dropped off the monthly finance folder and tagged me in. Tag spirit. From then on, I would say we became a little bit of a power duo. I began preparing the monthly financials, I was able to assist in year-end audit preparation, and I also pay and process invoices. I couldn't get it to balance on this side, so I moved it over here, and then it worked out good.
That's a really great catch. This workbook is hard to balance.
Thanks, Chris.
Hi, my name is Mercedes LaBelle. I'm a policy analyst based out of Sudbury, Ontario. I started working with MPI right out of undergrad last year as an experienced North Summer placement. I graduated from McGill with a degree in political science and urban systems. And I started out as an EN before moving into my year-long internship, an NOHFC Welcoming Communities contract. And then I became a policy analyst, which is what I do now. When I started my EN placement last summer, I was fresh out of undergrad with basically no practical experience in the world of public policy. And in my 4-month Experience North internship, I got to learn how to write op-eds, write more accessibly. I got to work with community level data, and I got to meet with our partners across and beyond Northern Ontario to talk about my projects. For an internship, you really get a lot of independence and control over your projects while still having all the support you need. If you're considering a career in public policy or research in general, I highly, highly recommend the Experience North summer placements. For 4 months, you get to live in a new community, meet new people, and develop so many different research skills that you really can't learn in class.
I'd strongly recommend the Experience North program to anyone who might be interested. You learn a lot, both A, about Northern Ontario in general, and then B, you learn a lot in terms of skills development. I know I've become a much stronger writer and a much stronger researcher.
I feel that everyone here really wants you to succeed and for you to be the best person that you can be. I would in a heartbeat recommend the Experience North program to anyone who is interested.
I would definitely recommend the Experience North program to anyone who's looking for hands-on experience to start their career.
I'd like to especially thank the NPI team for being so supportive and helpful.
I'll miss our banter, work chats, and fun Fridays immensely. Thank you for the memories.
Bye guys, have a good weekend.